Wow, that depends what day you ask. ColdAcre is a company that focuses on food systems in especially harsh climates. We have a few different aspects of the company. One is that we have our farm. Our farm is producing greens year-round. And then we have winter harvest. We started off with winter harvest being just for our goods, but we soon realized that there were a lot of Yukoners producing a lot of great food, and we wanted to bring them in. And then we also have the food systems side, where we will help communities design food systems similar to ones that we have so that they can grow their food year-round as well. One is the overall sustainability of our planet, and then the sustainability of our community. We've seen roads wash out and wildfires threaten them and mudslides, so it only becomes more and more clear that we need to do this because the grocery stores empty out within 2 days. So we are producing food locally, we're hiring locally, but then the food has a greater nutritional impact. Going to the store and seeing fresh greens, coming home at the end of the day of work and seeing one of my delivery vans bringing food to my neighbor, we just get a lot of positive reactions. I love the people that I'm working with. We're making a difference. I'm really proud of that.